Hey guys, Ron Smiley here. Let's take a look at your forecast. Today, rain chances will be there. We have stormy conditions expected into the overnight hours, and really when I'm looking at Wednesday, just as a whole, we're actually looking at what could be it's actually making the case for early case for one of the worst days of 2018 when it comes to the weather. You're saying, well, wow, that's a big thing to say. Here's the thing. Well, thankfully we don't have a chance for large hail or tornadoes during the day on Wednesday, but we have everything else. Have a solid chance for some flooding rain. We have a solid chance for really strong wind, and then on top of all of that, we're also going to be looking at snow, at least being possible and likely for most folks. It doesn't look like anything accumulating at this point, but that's where we are. So, yeah, you can see why I'm saying it's just going to be an awful day. So, we do have flash flood watches in effect, and you can see over into Ohio what's going to happen. When we actually get confirmation that there is flooding going on, then we go over to a flash flood warning, and you get that red highlight there for the areas and the communities, the watershed area that is dealing with that flooding. It's not happening, at least as of when I'm recording this, in western Pennsylvania, but we certainly have that chance. We also have a marginal chance for some strong storms, and that's because of this massive severe weather setup that we're seeing today. You can see from Memphis to Cincinnati, basically that enhanced area, that's where they actually have a chance for tornadoes today. Looks like for us it's going to be strong winds. So fairly continuous rain through about 3-4 o'clock. Then we get a little bit of a break. We start to see rain developing off to our west. That's going to be along a boundary. It's not officially the cold front, but it is along a boundary that's going to slide through. Now, yeah, there's a little bit of a difference there in temperatures, but that's mainly because it's rain cooled. As the rain comes through, the rain keeps going with strong winds, and then we start to see, you can see it right there, some snow developing, strong wind still with wind gusts up to 40 miles an hour, even behind the cold front. This is where the cold front comes in, is what we're looking at. Hey, I'll be on at noon talking about your forecast, and if you don't catch me on there, Jeff and John will be in later on tonight, taking you through your Wednesday and the possibility of those strong storms tonight.